Welcome to my purple paradise. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing all my purple polishes. So this includes all deep plums to shimmering lavenders. Stay tuned and discover which shades make it to my favorite list. I'm going to start with OPI. So this is a pretty lilac shade and the shade name is Do You Lilac It? This is a beautiful thick formula where you can apply only one coat to get the perfect opacity, but I always love to wear two coats, so I'm showing you how it looks with two coats. The next polish is from a new brand, Kinded, and the shade name is Pestle Lilac Purple. So here you have to apply two coats to get the perfect opacity. This is a nice color and I have already created a video showing the shades from this particular brand. You can watch that video. So let me know if you like this one. The next one is from Sally Hansen and the shade name is Jam Sesh. So here you will need only one coat to get the perfect opacity. This is a pretty light purple color. The next one is from Zudio and the shade name is Aster. I have already created a video showing all my Zudio polishes. So this color will need two coats to get the perfect opacity and this has got blue undertone to it. The next polish is from Sugar Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer. The shade name is Lilac Luster and here you will need two coats to get the perfect opacity. I have created a video showing all my sugar nail polishes. You can watch that video if you're interested, as this is a pretty polish. The next polish is from Nykaa Insta-Like Nail Enamel Collection. The shade name is Lavender Love. Here also you will need two coats to get the perfect opacity. Frankly speaking, I have not tried any polish from this particular collection. Let me know if you have tried it already. This cute little bottle is from Miss Nails and this is also a very pretty polish. Here I applied two coats to get the perfect opacity. So long back I had got 2-3 polishes from Miss Nails. So this polish is one of them and I like the formula here. The next one is from my recent purchase. I have already created a video showing Mars nail polishes. This is from Mars Cosmic Hue Nail Polish Collection. The shade name is Space and this has got blue undertone to it. This is a very pretty color. I really love it. The next one is from Bellura Paris and I have got this polish long back. The shade name is Love Lavender. Here the formula is sheer and you will need two coats to get the perfect opacity. This is a very pretty purple shade. The next polish is by Coloursoul and it's comparatively a new brand in the market, but the formula is really good. I have already created a video showing the nail polish collection by this particular brand. You can check that video out. And this is a pretty color, a light purple color. The next polish is by Lakme and it's by Absolute Gel Stylish Nail Color. So don't get confused with the word gel. It is not a gel polish. It does not need any UV lamp to dry it. This polish has got gel-like finish and you will need two coats to get the perfect opacity. This is a medium purple color. Next one is also from my favorite nail polish brand. It's by Faces Canada. The shade name is Purse. And this is little bit darker than the earlier one. And here you will need two coats to get the perfect opacity. This is one of the pretty purple I have in my collection. The next one is again by Faces Canada and the shade name is Amethyst. It's by Faces Canada Ultime Pro Splash Luxe Collection and this is a sheer formula. You will need two coats to get the perfect opacity and this is a lighter one. The next one is by Sugar Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer and the shade name is Purple Passion. This is the dark purple color and the formula is thick here. You will need two coats to get the perfect opacity and this is also a pretty polish. The next one is by Just Herbs and the shade name is Lavender Fields. Here you will need 2 or maybe 3 coats to get the perfect opacity. This is also a very pretty color and I like it. The next one is by Lakme. It's again a absolute gel stylish formula. This is not a gel polish but it gives gel like finish. This is very pretty color and the shade name is Royalty. I love it. The next one is by Sally Hansen and the shade name is With the Beat. Here the formula is very thick. You might even need only 1 coat to get the perfect opacity and this has got a very good shine. I love it. So the next nail polish is by Nykaa and it's from Nykaa Gel Shine collection. This is again not a gel polish. The shade name is Hong Kong Harbor and here the opacity is good. For short nails I think only 1 coat would be sufficient to get the perfect opacity. The next one is by Jacqueline Pure Stroke and the shade name is Ethereal. Here the formula is Sure but you can build it up in 2 coats. This is a very pretty color and this is duskier. This has got blue undertone to it and I really love the look it gives to the nails. The next one is by Berry Miss and I have recently purchased this collection. This is a very pretty formula and the look it gives to the nails is nice. This is on a burgundy side and with 2 coats you get the perfect opacity. There are a few more colors in this collection. You can definitely try some of them because the formula is very good over here. The next 2 polishes are by Zudio. Now here why I am showing both the polishes in one frame is because both the shades have different formula but same name, Ice Water. The first one has got the jelly like formula which I really love and it has got shimmer into it that really looks very pretty on the nails. Another is just a topper. So I think this jelly formula is very nice. I love this polish. The next polish is by Westside and here it's a glitter topper. You can use this color with purple color. It looks very nice as a topper with purple color and this is a good formula. So this polish can work as a game changer if you use this as a topper with purple color or some other color of the same family. So the next polish is by Nykaa and it's by Nykaa Festive Nail Enamel. The shade name is All the Fields and this is very pretty polish. It is very good opaque polish and it gives perfect opacity in 2 coats. It's a glitter polish and you have to check out this collection by Nykaa as it has got very pretty polishes in it. I have already created a video showing few polishes from this collection. You can check that video and this is very pretty color. I really love it. The next polish is by Debelle and it's a unique polish and it has got 2 shades into it, purple and yellow, and this looks very nice on the nails. You will have to apply 2 coats to get the perfect opacity and I think this kind of polish you can definitely have in your collection. The next one is by Very Miss Nail Polish. The shade name is Rustic Red. This is a matte formula. You will need 2 coats to get the perfect opacity. This is a semi-matte polish and it's not a perfect matte but the look it gives to the nails is very nice. The next one is a gorgeous glitter polish. It's by Nail Zorbe and the shade name is Dreamer. You can build up the perfect opacity in 2 coats. This is again a very beautiful polish that you can have in a collection. The next one is a vibrant glitter polish with the blue undertone and the shade name is Puzzle Dazzle. It's by Lotus. Here you can build up the opacity in 2 coats and this looks very nice on the nail. This kind of polish you can definitely have in your collection. I really love this polish. And this polish has got metallic formula. So this is my nail polish collection in purple color. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. To watch the nail polish related content consistently, please subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. Please like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.